The next part, and I haven't with Sleepies. Get out the way, greedy dog, Stella. Oh my god, no. No. Gross. Oh my god, I'm craving macaroni. Down below, what's your favorite food? I mean, macaroni is not my favorite food, but I want it. My favorite food is ceviche. No. My favorite food is ceviche. I'm thirsty? Oh my god. Chocolate milk, you come in handy today. Wait, I have to do something. I pause video. Okay, I back. Okay, let's go. Boom. Yeah, this is my car. Yeah, you see, like, I think that's, like, a poor person. Like, they're not over here on the floor. I'm poor. Bro, it's easy to get free dogs. You don't have to make a Mega Neon. It's so easy to get free dogs. It's not scamming. It's kind of cheating, though. But you make a new account. You hatch the starter egg. It can either be a cat or a dog. Either a cat or a dog, nothing else. And for me, I'm lucky. I mostly get dogs. I never get cats, but this person, I don't know what they traded me. But I got 4 common cats. I'm gonna trade them. I'm gonna make a neon and trade them. Where are the healing apples when you need them? Wait, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, sorry. Dog biting. Let's go. Oh no. My dog jumped on the bed. Ah. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to school so I can get people sick. Bye, Stella. Bye, Stella. Like a boss. Oh my god, Stella, you're thirsty too? Oh, we're twinsies. We'll do this, yeah. Do these. I put that. Gobble. Oh my god, why am I such a chubs? It's cold. I gotta put on a blanket. Ah. Okay, I put on blanket. Why am I not what you call it? I don't know what it's called. So making watch, she's gonna put something up on the chat. Just watch. She's gonna, yeah, she wants to, I'm gonna go, I mean, obviously, we ain't stupid. I'm out of here. Not out of here. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go. We gotta go to the hospital. Because we broke our legs. I don't know why that's funny. We gotta go to the hospital. Because we broke our legs. Oh my god. Yawn. Me eat healing apple. Me give greedy dog Stella a healing apple. I'm hungry. I think that's enough healing apple for now. I mean, how many times are we gonna get sick? Ugh! Oh my god, I hate the dress walk. It's ugly. Oh my god, sorry if it's staticky. Oh my god, not fresh. My goodness, what you doing, boy? Did I go through all the tunnels? Oh, yawn. Oh god. Am I tired or something? Okay, we're here. Home sweet home. Okay, dog, you taking bath and I'm taking bath. Wait, who's taking Stella a bath? Invisible man? Is that you? Okay, let's go. With Stella, you crazy. I'm gonna wait till we need any tasks. 3 seconds later, Stella is thirsty. Never saw this coming from a mile away. Wow. Let's go, Stella. You're thirsty, aren't you? Go, Stella. Go, 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 Stella. Go, 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 Stella. Go, go. Okay. 5, 7, 2 little monkeys. Bagels, where are you? I'm not gonna put like all the foods and stuff like pizza, oven. No. No, thank you. I mean, I might put like the donut oven. How much is the oven? Never mind. I mean, I don't know. Probably in a couple of days. I don't know. I mean, it doesn't really take me a while. What's that blue line like over here? I don't know if you guys could see that. I mean, it's not a part of the game because it pops up. I don't know. I kind of like my house. I like it. I don't know why I just constantly saying I like my house. What would you rate my house? Like this one. What would you rate it? Okay, I'm gonna give you a little tour. Okay, so this right here is like the dining room / living room / kitchen. What you doing? So let's go over here. This is like the pet area. I gotta note. I am gonna add like something. I don't know. Okay, here it's like the bedroom. Yeah. Oh wait, we forgot the upstairs. Okay, this is like the chill out area. I don't know. And now we unzoom. Sorry if it's making like a boom 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 noise. Like a, I don't know if it's making a noise, but camp, 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 camp. Still want camp, still want camp. We want camp and no camp. Oh. Let's draw. Okay, so I'm gonna draw real quick. Okay, so we got like the hair. My goodness. I'm gonna make myself a clown. Oh my god. What type of body is this? Like, for reals? I draw good, but I don't, oh, dang it. But I don't draw good on, like, devices. It's not on devices. Okay, I'm gonna go get something to eat because I'm really hungry, so yeah. Okay, I'm back. So I am making a spicy meatball. For real. A spicy meatball. And they're done. Okay. I am back with my spicy meatball. I don't know if I should eat it while playing or what. It's hot. Look, it's not really that spicy. But it's like hot burning you. Sorry if it's making a chewing noise. A little burp as well. Mic not all the way down. You know what? I'm just gonna keep the mic a little bit up. I'm gonna eat my spicy meatball. I so hope it doesn't make a chewing noise. My goodness. No, Caesar. Get down. You're not gonna take my spicy meatball. Okay, I'm gonna try to like edit out the spicy meatball chewing sound. If it even has a sound. I think we're gonna get our mega nail today. I mean, I said that last time too. But time goes by fast, and it's already 2. No, she's our puppy. I'll give you a doggy treat after. No. I'll give you a milk bone after. No, Caesar. No meatball. Haven't eaten anything all day and it's 2:26. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna wait for some tasks. Dog, get down. Real life dog. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Okay, I'm back and I'm hungry. In real life and in the game. Because everybody wants Neon Uni XD. I mean, I kind of want Neon Uni, but that's not like my dream pet. Yes, it's super good. Yes, this meatball is super good. You are right, sir / ma'am. I don't know what you are or who you are. I don't even know if you're human. I must trade all people. Oh, I keep trades. More trades. Okay, everyone. Rude. Rude. Yeah, chill. Oh my god, I don't know who he's talking to. I'm out of here. I'm still hungry. There's only 3 meatballs. I'm gonna look for something else. Okay, I just give Doggy, my dog, a milk bone. And I'm numbing on some cereal. Oh, can I put my lemonade stand up now? Okay, so it's worth like neon legendaries. Trade me. Well, maybe they don't want to trade you. I have offer. Okay, I hate people like this that are like, oh my god, it's worth a neon legendary, so give me it now. I'm like, okay, some people might think it's not worth a neon legendary. So, yeah. You might think differently, but just don't start an argument. And see, now I'm sleepy. Okay, let's go. Skirt, skirt. Caesar puppy. It's my cereal. You guys are getting like the ASMR treat. I don't know why, but I hate ASMR. Caesar, get down. Doggy trying to steal cereal. Get down. Get off my bed. You have your own bed. Why don't you use your own bed, Caesar puppy? Why don't you use your own bed? Why are you looking at my cereal? Why are you looking at my cereal? Looking at me. You want some cereal? Here, not a lot, because then you're gonna make a mess. I like to give my dog human food sometimes. It's okay. Headphones fallen. No, Tito puppy. It's closed. No more cereal. It went bye-bye. Don't start to itch on my bed, dog. Nuh-uh. No. These are puppies. Oh, no kissies. No. Oh, what are you doing? Are you trying to get to me so I give you another treat? Oh, now he wants to rub all over my bed. Tricks of a mastermind be like. I'm trying to shake around the thing to make him stop. Cereals! Ooh, yummy! Oh, poor little Caesars. No more cereals for him. How about this? I'll give you 3 milk bones. Okay? I'll give you 3 milk bones, Tito puppies. He's just like looking at me with the death eye. I don't know what to do now. I'm gonna like pause until I need to. Oh, never mind. Stella, dang it, you're fat. So are you, Tito puppies, the fat boy. But I love Tito puppies. Oh, he hit his nose. No. Stella, you can come. Oh no. Oh, my dog is begging. He's like trying to make me feel bad, and it's working. Fine. Here. He's like, oh my god, really? But you gotta eat it on the floor. Oh no, I dropped some. Oh, here. Take the ones that fell too. Take it. Eat it. Eat it, doggy. Okay, come on. Get on the floor. Come on. That's all yours. Eat it. Hurry. For ants come. Oh, my God. Are we done showering? Yes. Okay. Ah! No. Oh my god. Headphones fallen. Oh my god, I gotta like vacuum my bed. Oh my god, my phone has fell. My goodness, how clumsy am I? No, Tito puppy, you had enough. No, you have more than me. I'll give you 5 milk bones. You want more milk bone? Yes, you do. You don't want the cereal, you want the milk bones. Oh my god. People must like my YouTube channel. No, Tito puppy. No. No. Sorry, no. Oh my god. Oh my god, dog, stop itching on my bed. Stop it. Get down. Go, shoo, down. Oh my god. I think we actually might do this today. All these videos are in one day. No! I said get down and he hopped right back up. These are puppies! No, don't start itching and biting. Get down. Mr. Unicorn is going to attack you. I have a stuffed unicorn in real life. It's named Mr. Unicorn. That's how I got the name of my unicorn. Oh no, don't start whining and don't start itching. No, don't do it. I'll give you some milk bones after. You can't smell it anymore. My goodness. Let's go with my fat, chubby baby self. Pet trainer Shane. It looks alike. No, not at all. Oh my god, shush it, shush your mouth, Caesar. I am trying to make a mega neon dog, so, yeah. Regular dog. What are you putting? What you putting? Oh, you want me to put in something? I'll put in a business monkey. I probably won't trade it to them. I'll put in a business monkey. What do you put? I mean, what is this? Small sip potion? I mean, no, I'm not gonna accept. Oh, what? I gotta go buy a small sip potion real quick. What is a small sip potion? Does that make you very tiny? Because I would like that a lot. And I'm like, you can't see me. Where's the potion place? We like buy the fly potions and ride potions. Oh my god. Did they get rid of the potion place? Did they get rid of the potion place? Did they get rid of the potion place? I swear to god, did they get rid of the potion place? Need me small seep. Okay, that took a while. Nobody really goes to the potion place anymore. What if we just find like 5,000 people in here? Where's the pink small sip? What is? I'ma drink it. Oh yay! Where? Okay, where'd Stella go? I gotta make you small. Oh god. Feed. Drink Stella, drink the potion. Oh my god. Can I like buy another one and make it smaller than me? Right. Right. Oh my god, I thirsty. Okay, that's what it does. I never knew that. The big brew potion. Oh, okay. I never know. What's this? What does this make you?